Hi y'all, just looking at clouds as they scurry on about. Wind's blowing pretty good up there right now. It's not too bad down here. Hey, I want to thank all you guys that subscribe to me. I love you all very much and God bless you. I don't know how. I was just at 800 yesterday and now it says I'm at 1K, so whoopee, 1K. Thank you, you guys. I don't know how. I know it's because of you guys share my videos, and that I appreciate very much. See? Nothing else. That's it. The rest of the sky is blank. Well, not blank. There's always something in the blue also. I'll have to make another one of those out of the blue videos just to show you. What a beautiful day. Hey, I love you all. Thank you very much. You have a great day. Remember, be honest and lift one another up, okay?